In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alexa to Apple HomeKit. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In general, if you want to use Alexa at the same time as Apple's HomeKit, you are able to do this. However, you will need to use third-party services, so you cannot do this natively. You cannot go into the Alexa app and then just go through the settings, connect your Apple HomeKit, and get it to work. Sadly, you will need to use external services that will act as a bridge or a hub, such as HomeBridge. You have other options like Home Assistant, Add to HomeKit, or a Matter hub like a SmartThings hub. But I believe that this is going to be the best option for everyone. I also want to make it very clear that sadly, for a video of this nature and length, I cannot cover this process in its entirety. There is a lot to go over, so I'm going to give you the general instructions, and sadly, you will need to look into this on your own time and how to see it done. In general, you will set up a home server that will have access to both your Alexa devices alongside your Apple HomeKit's devices. And you will have bridges like this one. Alexa Smart Home. You will connect them to HomeBridge that is running on a server. Most people opt to run HomeBridge on something like a Raspberry Pi because this will allow you to set up the server in a very tiny and easy to use and manage device instead of running it on your PC or laptop, which would need to be on constantly. So use HomeBridge to get this connection established. Again, I apologize for not being able to show you this process in full. However, for a video of this length, it is impossible for me to cover everything. I hope this was a nice introduction into how to do this and you look into this or alternative solutions. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.